What is the role of the Fair Labor Standards Act in wage and hour laws? In recent news, the Fair Labor Standards Act has become a hot topic as workers and employers alike seek clarity on wage and hour laws. Many are asking, what exactly does this law do? Understanding the Fair Labor Standards Act is essential, especially with ongoing discussions about minimum wage and overtime pay. The Fair Labor Standards Act serves as the main federal law that sets wage and hour standards in the United States. This law plays a vital role in protecting workers and ensuring fair compensation. It establishes a federal minimum wage that employers must pay to covered employees. Currently, the federal minimum wage is set at $7.25 per hour. The Act defines a standard workweek as 40 hours. Employers are required to pay employees overtime at a rate of at least 1.5 times their regular pay for any hours worked beyond 40 in a week. This is particularly important for industries like hospitality and retail, where employees often work variable hours. Additionally, the Fair Labor Standards Act outlines how to calculate the regular rate of pay. This includes all forms of compensation, ensuring that overtime pay is calculated fairly. The law also has specific regulations regarding the employment of minors. It aims to protect young workers by limiting their hours and prohibiting them from working in hazardous jobs. There are exemptions within the Act for certain types of employees who do not qualify for overtime pay. These exempt employees typically include those in executive, administrative, or professional roles. The Department of Labor's Wage and Hour Division is responsible for enforcing the Fair Labor Standards Act. They investigate complaints and can take legal action if violations occur. In recent discussions, the Fair Labor Standards Act has been at the forefront as lawmakers consider changes to minimum wage laws. Many states and cities have enacted their own minimum wage laws that exceed the federal standard. This has led to a patchwork of wage laws across the country, making compliance more complex for employers. Overall, the Fair Labor Standards Act remains a key piece of legislation in labor and employment law. It ensures that workers receive fair compensation for their labor while shaping employer responsibilities regarding wages and hours worked. Understanding this law is essential for both employees and employers navigating today's labor market.